Sir Pat, taking 2 rebounds. Wala, limang by Idol, easy 2 points. 2 points. Number 24. Binababa, sa baba, taking 2 rebounds. Rebound by Pinoy. Easy 2 points by Pinoy. All 2. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 11. Intercepted. Binababa ang balls. Pass to number 24. Easy 2 points. Score 4-2 in favor of
Mikey, ang score? Dito ka naman mo po. Basado dito.
2-4.
Lamas na po.
Lamang pinabos Penoy. Sir Pat, dumidiskarte. Easy 2 points by Sir Pat. All 2. All 4. Kinaliwa. Tinignan pa. 6-4. Binababa ni Idol. Pass 2. Pass 2 intercepted. Pass to number 24. Binababa ni number 24. Pass to number blue. Rebound by 24. Hinintay pa ang babantay. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Dumidiskarte. Pass to number blue. Pass to number 24. Kumuha ng 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Swiss Unity Football. Pass to Sir Pat. Easy 2 points by number 4. All 6. 2 points by number 24. 8-6. Woo! 2 points by number 4. All 8. Binababa ni Binoy, pass to number 0. Number 0, sumalampak ang bola sa labas. Out of bounds. Same ball. All lang po mga master, all. All lang po mga master, all. Number 2, pass to number 2-4. 2-4 taking 2 from the logo. Sa lampak sa labas. Out of bounds. Number blue with iconic shot. Pass to Sir Pat. Easy 2 points by Sir Pat. 10A. Number 11. Number 11, dumidiskante. Pinasa sa twing. Wala. Great. Swiss Unity Hoopballers. Dumidiskante. Pang Espiritos. Easy 2 points by number 18. Score 12-8. Sila Sir Pat po naman. Sila Sir Pat. Number 11. Pinasa sa ring. 3 by number 11. Out of bounds. Pinasa sa pader. Better luck next time. Score 11-12 in favor of Sir Pat. 10 seconds to shoot. Long 2. Wala. Rebound by Swiss Unity. Foul. Foul. 15 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Ganun po ang kaorasan.
Lamang alin.
10 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by outside. Pass to Idol na may bandage with iconic short. Pinasa kay Team Beige. 2 points. Score 14-11. 3-point lead by Team Sir Pat. 14-11. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Pati. 2 points by Benoy. 16-14. 1 point lead. Oh, tinignan pa. Pumig.